Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Senheisser ACCENTUM ACEBT wireless Bluetooth headphones and you need to do a soft reset on them. Now, you might want to do this soft reset if these headphones are not pairing with your Bluetooth, or they're not syncing or connecting with your device, or if they keep disconnecting, or if just for what they're not responding, whatever reasons they seem to be frozen, that it's not working, you're trying to fix it. This may clear the issue out. So it's really quite easy to do. All we need to do is find this main button, and we're just going to press and hold the main button for 20 seconds. And after 20 seconds, you'll actually hear they'll make a confirmation sound. And if they make a confirmation sound, once they make the confirmation sound, they will be reset, and you can go ahead and see if they are now working properly. If they're not working properly, the next thing you're going to want to do is to just perform a factory default reset on them and restore them to the way they were when they came out of the box, because this soft reset will not clear out the pairing history or anything like that.